video, we are going over Ketotifen eye drop, what it is, how to use this eye drop, and what are some common side effects associated with Ketotifen. Now, Ketotifen is an antihistamine. It's used to reduce symptoms of allergic conjunctivitis, which includes red, itchy, and watery eyes due to seasonal and also year-round allergies. Ketotifen is available as a prescription, and it's available over the counter under the brand name of Alaway and Zaditor. So how do you use Ketotifen? Go ahead and remove the eye drop from the packaging as such. Next, go ahead and wash your hands. After washing your hands, go ahead and roll the eye drop container in between your hands as such, just so that the solution in the eye drop container is evenly mixed and it's ready for use. Next, uncap the eye drop and then go ahead and tilt your head back and into the affected eye. Go ahead and pull the lower eyelid and instill one drop into that lower eyelid twice a day. And this could be done usually about 8 to 12 hours apart. Some things to note: if you do have contact lenses, definitely remove your contact lenses before instilling the eye drop and wait about 10 to 15 minutes after before reinserting your contact lenses. Some common side effects of Ketotifen include redness, itchiness, and watery eyes that are much more severe than from what the symptoms were initially. If you notice any burning, any headaches after instilling the eye drop, definitely stop the eye drop and contact your doctor immediately. With that being said, I really hope that you enjoyed this consultation on Ketotifen. Please let me know what your thoughts are down under the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.